This video is going to show you how to quickly place different textbooks into the same header. So over in my planner, I would like to put 3 different textbooks in this header, header 1, and it's not a built-in feature of the planner. So I'm going to first send it to 3 different planners. I'm going to send my first math, my second math, and my third math text to header 1. I just sent that. Header 2, I just sent that, and header 3. Now looking back at the planner, I've got my first math, my second math, and my third math, but I want all 3 of them in that first header. So now comes the slightly tricky part. I'm going to enter in a formula that I'm then going to copy and paste into that first header. So the first thing I'm going to do is hit the equals sign, and that will mean that I'm about to enter a formula. In this case, we're just going to do references, so we're going to click on first math 1, and it's going to enter in that cell C3, which is first math 1 is cell C3. Then I'm going to type the AND symbol, and then click C4, type the AND symbol again, and C5. This joins the cells without any spaces or anything, so let me show you just what that will look like. When I hit return, you can see first math 1, second math 1, and third math 1 all squished together. In order to put line breaks in between them, we're going to use a character. Character 10 would be PC, and character 13 would be Mac. So I'm on a Mac right now. I'm going to type equals, and I'm going to do that again, but this time I'm going to put that extra character number in there. So I'm going to click C3, type AND symbol, and then CHAR is short for character 13, and C4, I need another character 13, and C5. I do not need a character 13 on the end because I don't need a line break on the end. When I hit return, now you can see they're all on different lines, and that's exactly what I want it to look like. Now, to get that quickly over to all these other spaces, I don't have to type that formula each time. I'm going to hover my cursor over this little green box until it goes from white to black. Then I'm going to click and simply drag that little box all the way to the end of let me go back just a little bit, to the end of my chapters. When I let go, it knows that I don't want to repeat the same thing each time. It's actually going to be smart and do chapter 15, chapter 14, all the way down to my chapters 1, 2, and 3. Okay, but now this is a formula. I can't type in these boxes. That's the drawback of formulae. So I'm going, if I try to type in this text, it's going to get confused. So let me undo that and turn this into text. You can turn any formula into text by copying it. Let me select all those one more time and copy them. Right click and copy. And then I'm going to go back to the first cell where I want to start the paste, but I'm not going to just do a normal paste. I'm going to click that cell that I want them all in. I'm going to do a paste special. So right click, paste special, and values is what you would do to turn formulas into text. So when I click OK, it knows that I want all of that, and my formula keeps working down here. You saw it jump into this now repeating session. But I don't need any of this anymore, so I'm going to select it all and hit delete. Let me know by email if you need anything else.